Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Now I hope you're coming to this video from my previous one, which is a walk around of this. This is a 2020 C8 Corvette. I finally got my hands on one. Big thanks to my buddy Adam for giving me access. This is his car. Now in this video, we're gonna go for a drive. So here we go. I am very excited. All right, let's hear that big V8 start up. And let's just hear that idle real quick. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. All right, guys and gals, we are in the C8 Corvette. I've been dying to get my hands on one of these, and I finally got the chance from my neighbor and friend Adam. Lots different about the Corvette. Now, if you go see my other video, I talk about sort of what this car has become. It is now a mid-engined supercar, and I will call this a supercar. We've got a 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8, 495 horsepower, 465 foot-pounds of torque, and this is just the start of the C8 Corvette. So all these Z06 and ZR1s and hybrid versions are going to be even more everything, more power, more money, more appearance. But yeah, this is essentially a track weapon. It does have track capabilities, and you can do that until it'll hold you over until the Z8 or Z06 comes out, which is coming out in a few months. But yeah, lots of different things about this Vette. You've got the squared off steering wheel, which I mentioned in my other video. But yeah, this just feels like a special. My buddy calls it a poor man's Ferrari because it looks like a legit exotic car. Yeah, I love the white with the red interior. That is a classy look. But yeah, this car has so much going for it. Now, I touched on this in the other video as well. This has got to be the best performance bargain on sale right now. Other cars in this segment are ridiculously more expensive, like twice, 2 and 3 times more expensive than this car. This car was bought for, I'll just say, triple digits. And those other cars, like a Porsche 911 Turbo, is $200,000 to start. And we know Porsche options go absolutely crazy. So we're just starting off. I'm going to stick it in the base mode, which is the Tour mode. Now there's a bunch of driving modes, Sport and Track, which we will try out when we go on our twisties here. Now when I go to my famous road, my favorite road, I'm going to do the full version just to get a taste of what the handling is like on this C8. But yeah, it's low, it's wide, it sounds fantastic. It has a lot going for it besides the value. Alright, now we're on our Kona. We're going to go into a little bit of attack mode. I have the drive mode in Sport. And I'm going to pray that there's nobody in front of me. But yeah, as a normal sports car, it's comfortable, and in the Tour setting, it feels every bit compliant as a normal car should at low speed. Not bad, but then you can do this. Oh, it holds onto the gear so nicely. Going up into our sweeping here. Oh, it feels so good. Now this has the Z51 package, which has the magnetic shocks, which, you know, 1,000 times a second it monitors where you're going to put you in the right spot. But it feels so planted and so nice, and I really do like this. Shit, there's somebody in front of me. I really do like this steering wheel. Alright, he's letting me go, so I'm gonna go. Oh my god, I can't even see that guy anymore. It just sounds fantastic. I mean, you get something different in a naturally aspirated V8. You know, and Chevy's been doing motors for a while. I think they know what they're doing. Oh, the handling feels so nice. Yeah, it soaks up the bumps nice. Little elevation change right here. Dude, this is a performer. My heads-up display is telling me how many G's I'm pulling. That is amazing. Yeah, I can see how this could definitely be track capable. The Z51 package gives you the better brakes, the tougher suspension. Oh, it's very, very capable. All right, we're gonna give it the beans in the C8. Okay, ready? so sweet. Oh, this is quick. This is seriously quick. Now my buddy said he hasn't got into the launch modes, or he hasn't got it to hook up right, but this car will go 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. I mean, that is absolutely hypercar fast. The dual clutch transmission is also a feature that you want to have when you're competing with cars of the McLarens and Lambos. Dual clutches are amazing. That gives you the fastest performance. You know, manual is gone from this car. Oh, I need these people to get out of my way. Yeah, the heads-up display is nice. It gives you your tachometer going in a circle, your G's, your miles per hour. I mean, that is just awesome. All right, ready? Yeah, see, it's playful too. It wanted to get loose a little bit. Oh my God, this would be so much fun on a track. All right, I just switched from my complete camera on the screen setup to my POV view right here, right within this red light. I have this Audi A4 in front of me. So this is a little bit of a POV of what it's like to drive the C8. Now this is the steering wheel. This is such a radical different change from everything else, and there's the waterfall right there. You can go see my other video to talk about all the stuff in this. Now look, that is a camera that is on the back right there. Why is this light not going? But yeah, this thing is an absolute hoot. Now we're gonna go get on the highway up here a little bit. Do not go, Amazon, do not go. I'm gonna yell at you. But yeah, this is comfortable and it handles fantastically. It looks great, it sounds great. I mean, you're not missing much of anything except for money, you know, that you would be paying if you got the other cars. Now that's in 5th gear. That went down to 4th gear and it still went like that. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Just look at the wheel when it moves. It just looks so different from what you're used to. Then you can do this, get a little squirrely. Yeah, I mean, it feels like it's not scary to drive. Like you feel confident in what you're doing, even if you rip it with your right foot. And I have one hand on the wheel because I'm a professional. But yeah, it doesn't feel like it'll get loose, you know, like a Mustang. You know, I would love to drive a Mustang GT500 too, just to feel how much power that is underneath your right foot. But yeah, this is 500 horsepower with a mid-engine setup, and it is an absolute blast. Now I'm gonna get on the highway here, and I'm gonna wait till this Honda Accord is well out of my way because there's nobody behind me. But I'm gonna put the windows down just so you could hear the V8 as well. And I'm gonna step on it a little bit, so here we go. Oh yeah. Oh man, that is fantastic. This is a hell of a car. So now if you go into, you know, normal everyday highway cruising, you got the 8-speed automatic. My buddy said he drove to Erie and he got something like 28 miles per gallon, which is amazing. Yeah, this is a special car, and it is, like he said, a poor man's Ferrari with all the performance and the price of what it is. I mean, GM has done a fantastic job with this car, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for this platform. You know, I could dust that Maserati right there. Like, get out of here. Anyway, all right, we're gonna go back to home base and wrap this up because, yeah, might take another few laps around Mechanicsburg because I don't want to give this thing up. So I'll see you in a few. All right, just got back from my drive in the C8 Corvette. This is definitely one of my favorite cars I've driven this year. It is just so capable on so many levels, and even to get in to this car at this price point for this amount of performance. And I hope you can't hear this guy leaf blowing over here. But anyway, big thank you to my buddy Adam for letting me have access. I don't even know if you can hear me. Anyway, we'll just keep rolling. Big thanks to my buddy Adam for giving me access to this thing. This is a special car in many, many ways, and I'm very lucky to have the chance to drive and review this. So if you like what you see, definitely hit that subscribe button right here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GemmyD on Cars. This has been a great day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.